Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So to register your Lycamobile SIM card, follow my steps. Firstly, start by inserting your Lycamobile SIM into your phone. After that, power on your device and ensure you have signal reception. After that, for online registration, ensure your phone is connected to the internet. After that, just open your browser and go to the Lycamobile's official registration page. Right after that, you'll be asked to provide your SIM card number, which you can find on the SIM card itself or its packaging. Enter your personal details accurately, including your name, address, and date of birth. After that, depending on your country's regulation, you may need to upload a valid ID, like your passport, driver's license, or national ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. After that, after reviewing your details, submit the form. You may receive a confirmation email or SMS, so be sure to check your inbox or message folder. Guys, once confirmed, restart your phone if needed and your SIM should now be active and ready to use. Guys, also for a fast and easy registration process, check out the links in the description down below to get discounts and good deals. Guys, thank you for watching, see you in the next one.